Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the beautiful world. Whenever you're watching the YouTube video, just came out of the sea. Oh, my hair. I had too many drinks yesterday. Phuket also has bars. But welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. Welcome to the live. We're gonna do a walk and talk on the beach. I don't know if the quality is okay, the sound is okay, because I don't know if the 5G will allow me to do this walk and talk on the beach. So let me know if the sound is okay, if the image is okay, if there is enough quality in the background noise and everything. Let me know before I continue this beautiful life here in Thailand. It's a beautiful place, guys. I'm walking towards this small kind of island thing or something over there. All okay. That's beautiful. Because is the image also not shaking? That is beautiful as well, because it's only like mobile internet at the moment. I just went for a morning swim because I had a hangover a little bit. An afternoon swim for me. Yeah, I went to show my kids around Bang Tao area. There were some bars and everything, so I needed to show them there is a lot of fun over here. That is what I did. So, woo, you're getting too old for that shit. But I also started sporting, a lot of sporting this week. Almost 5 times. From Monday we will get private lessons in Muay Thai. Yes, what I told you guys in Portugal, I really need to get in shape and fit again. So I'm starting a complete healthy life. I'm doing this intermediate fasting and all that stuff. Even stretching and some yoga. And now even Muay Thai. So the next couple of months will be about a little bit more health and myself than only about the rest. I have a hard time reading on my screen. So I'm going to look for a shady place somewhere because I can't read your comments at the moment. I can see that James is in. Good morning all. I can't read your names, and you know that iPhone has almost often this shitty thing that you probably have a perfect view, but for me now it's really dark. I don't know what it is on the iPhone. It sometimes does this. Phuket till now it's beautiful. Still getting used to it because it's completely different than Koh Phangan. Koh Phangan was like really chill, laid back, small, no luxury. Phuket has a little bit more luxury. It's a little bit more mundane, how you call it. Like it's more, yeah, there's more Western touristy restaurants. But the beach and the coconuts and everything is still the same, and the cheap food, of course, as well. Now walking on Bang Tao Beach. I haven't been here on this part before. Now I see a lot of huge kick-ass villas over there on the hills. And it's a beautiful beach, it's a beautiful park. I think you can even go to the other side there. Check. Look. Some people live like that, huh? Oh, there. Give me some thumbs ups if you like that kind of view over here, guys. I'm going to search for a little bit more shadow. So let's see if we can walk to the other side over here. And how many viewers do we have? 50. So I can also read your comments, because I can't read your comments at the moment. Let me see if I can cross over here. No, I don't think so. I think it's a little bit too deep to cross. Okay, then I need to go back over here, guys, and I will find some place where I can more quietly talk to you. Let's see, can I read the comments? Sound is not clear. Merlier Hotel during that tsunami. Good morning. The market cap collapse. Okay, I see some questions. Okay, somebody's complaining about the sound. Leicester is in the house, Croatia is in the house, many people in the house. Okay. So guys, for me, the market, Bitcoin is around 16,500. It's Sunday, today 6 o'clock, I think your time is opening of the CME again. So I probably will be around the closing of Friday. People still expect us to go to 10K and 12K and 9K. Like I've been saying all the time, I don't believe that we are going that way. I think that we already had the bottom. I think FTX screwed up the bottom, which means because of FTX we had another wick to the 15,000 level now. But for me the bottom is in. it is a 75% crash or 76% crash, I think, at the moment, which is an average crash if you look at the crashes of the last bear markets. A lot of signals, even the RSI and everything, they're showing a bullish divergence, which means that we are probably going to return in the market. We're going to return to the upside. Upside is not like 100k. Upside is at the moment back to the 20k levels, sideways like 20k to, let's say, this level to 20k, maybe a couple of months of sideways, maybe in December a small sprint, you know, like that we had once from 3k to 14k, maybe we will go one from 16k to 30k. There can happen a lot in this bear market, but the bottom, in my opinion, is in, and that means you should be buying. That's the only thing I can say about it. I think there's a beautiful spot in the shade. Let's see if I can adapt the screen here a little bit, and I can read some of your comments. It's very shady here. Ah, yes, here the view is better. Look, I'm now somewhere, probably the toilet of the jungle over here, somewhere or something. It's beautiful, so I can read some comments. So for me, yeah, I really believe that I don't have a mic at the moment. Is the sound really that bad? Some people are complaining about the sound. Let me know. Low quality, yeah, that's because of course I'm in the forest over here. So for me, the market, guys, yeah, I think we really are, we have seen the bottom, and if we would see another lower, then it would be a huge wick, but I don't believe that we are going to bottom out to 10k, stay there for a couple of months. I believe that this is the average bottom that we will see in the next couple of months, the bear market, and then, you know, the halving is in March 2024, so it can take all the way up to mid 2023 before Bitcoin starts to, you know, go up again a little bit more. So there will be some up and down movements, of course. Volatility is always there, but it won't be the massive bull run that you're expecting. So educate yourselves in these couple of months. Make sure you check all the projects that you want to invest in this time again, and make sure that you check their teams, you do your due diligence and all that stuff before that you go all in those. For me, I'm becoming more Bitcoin maxi again, because I've seen what is happening there lately, and for me it's just very important that people understand the difference between Bitcoin and the rest. Bitcoin is not crypto, crypto is not Bitcoin, Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and the rest is all nice, it's all cool, it's all contributing to decentralizing the world in some kind of way, but again, it is not Bitcoin. That's the only real decentralized one, in my opinion, that have the chance on replacing the whole monetary system that is corrupt, in my opinion, at the moment. So yes, for me, if you look at, for example, the central bank's digital currencies, that is like a replacement of the monetary system that we have, but with even more control than they already had with fiat. So now with the CBDC, they will have even more control because it's completely digital. They can freeze it more easy, and you don't have cash. So when they freeze it, you're like lost. So for me, that is the alternative for fiat. Bitcoin is still the opposite of that. Bitcoin is the one that is fighting against that. So whatever all those non-Bitcoin people say, and they believe in Ripple and all those other currencies, they are all supporting the banking system, guys. They are not supporting Bitcoin and the revolution, okay? Now, let's see if I can answer some questions, because I told you guys I would do an AMA, but I'm normally talking again. So, let me see. So the only, like, once more, 70% of my portfolio is pure Bitcoin and in HODL. 30% of my portfolio I speculate with by investing in companies, also in altcoins, but also I trade with. But it's like only 30% of my capital. So if you have a capital of, let's say 10k in Bitcoin or in crypto, then 7k would always be in my HODL, cold storage, in my wallets, my hardware wallets, ledgers, and the 30% I would be playing with. And even the 30% I'm shifting now completely to decentralized exchanges. I'm not holding Bitcoins anymore on any centralized exchanges. So the only centralized exchange at the moment that I fully trust is Bybit. You can sign up by using the links down below. Why Bybit? Because they just are completely transparent. I know the team, and I know that no exchange out there is like 100% proof or safe, but I believe Bybit is a very safe play. And even there, I just have a few Bitcoins. And why? Because I have my trading algorithms working on Bybit. So you have a few Bitcoins that is being traded in a spot bot, which means the bot buys and sells Bitcoins all day long. And we make about 3% every month at the moment. Some months a little bit more, but let's say 3%. I need to test it again, guys, if I can go somewhere in the shade, because else I really can't read anything. And I see the viewers dropping. So, 70% in XRP? No, never, never, never. Guys, XRP is like really not Didi. XRP is not done in my opinion. But at the end, you will find out as well. When that one collapses, or when the shit hits the fan, or that one is used to control you even more than with the euros, then you will understand why I said that is not my coin. Okay, now let's see. I really need to go into the shades, guys, else I really can't read shit. Ugh. Yes, my eyes look small. I can tell you why. Too much. My daughters want to drink. Yesterday they wanted to drink vodka Red Bull. I never drink vodka Red Bull. So yesterday I did. You don't feel nice after the day after vodka Red Bull, I can tell you that. I think they're preparing some kind of a marriage over there, you see? Check. Somebody's going to get married. Beautiful here on the beach. Okay, here's some more shade, let's see. Let's see if I can see a bit more. Yes, here I can read your comments a little bit better, guys. Okay, let me know if the quality is still okay, because then I will go and sit here and have a talk with you guys while I can read your comments. Let's see what we have for questions. XRP, yeah, I didn't even talk about that anymore. Guys, there is some beach in Thailand. Of course, there's some technical. Is there a technical difference? Let me know. Is the sound really that bad? Okay, then I need to improve something, because I don't have any mic or nothing on it. So you of course hear all the noise of the waves and all that stuff. But now I'm here, like see me is 16280. Okay. Sunglasses. No, you can see my big beautiful wallet. No, it's not. It's a screen. iPhone. I don't know what it does with the screen. It turns dark. Like from a beautiful bright screen, it always turns into a dark screen. And now I can really read your comments again. Yeah, I believe they have good weed over here. So, is there altcoins that I'm buying at the moment? No, I still have some Polkadot. I still have some Chainlink. I have still a lot of paid tokens. CurlDAO. So I have a few alts, but I'm not buying more alts. At the moment, I'm only buying Bitcoin. More Bitcoin, more Bitcoin, more Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, it's small buzz. I don't know what it is. Probably something with the Wi-Fi over here, guys. Good morning, good morning. When moving back to Portugal? That's a very good question, Trick Shots. I will soon do a video with my wife and kids, and there I will tell you guys what I'm thinking of, because maybe I'm even thinking of staying a little bit longer than planned here in the beautiful Thailand. So not just the 3 months, but maybe we will stay maybe a year or something. You know, it's really cool. Feels really cool. It's, I don't know what it is, but I prefer Asia over Europe. I prefer the food, I prefer the people, I prefer kind of everything in Asia. So I don't know yet if we will go back to Portugal that fast. But I will keep you up to date. Nothing has been decided yet. You know, we have the Bam Bam Beach Bar and all that stuff. So there's a lot of decisions we need to make. But at the moment, I'm feeling very happy here, and I'm able to do my sports and everything that I need to do. So for me, not yet the moment to go back. And the kids, they need this. The kids need to start feeling nice here as well. That's the most important thing for us. The kids are always happy. And when they are happy, we are happy. Go to settings and remove reactive brightness. Okay, that is the thing that I need to do then, because this brightness is really terrible at the moment. It's like as if I'm looking in a dark screen, dark room. No, not a dark room. That was really yesterday evening. Yeah, probably somebody is spying us. Yeah, like always. It's a good conspiracy. They are spying Didi because he's talking about central banks. Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it over here, guys, because then I have, I think, the best reach in Wi-Fi I can see, or in 4G. Okay, do we have any other questions? Do we have any other cool questions? Of course, everyone that will be in Phuket, let me know and we will have a coffee. Why not? I'm always in for a coffee, guys. I'm always in for a coffee. And the kids, they are getting used already to Phuket at the moment. You know, for them it's the biggest change, like always. You know, for them it's other temperature, it's other time. There's a lot of adjustments for the children, and it will always take 2 weeks. Now there is a lot of wind, so I can't walk too much, guys. So I will do another live soon again. I will do some more lives, of course, again in the future, but I will make sure I have a beautiful place where there is more shadow and where I can control the sound a little bit more, because here it's like all depending on how the wind blows and all that stuff. So sorry for the sound for the ones that are complaining. Good morning, guys. There is another one. Easy to get in visa extension in Thailand. As far as I know, it's very simple. I didn't do an extension yet, but I have some people here that help me with this, and it shouldn't be that difficult. We are thinking about an educational visa, guys. So that means you go to school, like you study English or something, and then by studying English, you get a visa for a year. So yes, my English is very bad. I need to learn better English. No, I don't have a Thailand residency. We have a Portugal residency, but we are thinking about making some cool setup here that we have a Thai residency as well. The indicators, I haven't looked at the charts this morning, guys. I think I saw last call was long on the 15 minutes. That's very short-term oriented. So I didn't look at the charts. It's Sunday. I had a hangover, so I don't really care. I'm just buying, guys. I'm continuously buying every penny we earn in US dollar Tether, by affiliate links, by the books that we sell, by t-shirts, by everything we do. All the money is being converted directly into Bitcoin at the moment. Yes, I would love to live up the Moluccan, the Maluku Islands, but my kids and wife, they wouldn't. They would like it for a month, but they couldn't live there because my kids are puber kids and they need puber lifestyles. And on the Moluccan Islands, it's still only Ambon that has like a McDonald's, for example, if it even has. Yeah, I think it has. But the rest is like, it's beautiful. I think it's the most beautiful place in the world, but it's not possible for our family at the moment in these ages to live there. So that's a difficult part. How do we know if Satoshi Nakamoto is in deep state? We don't know. We don't know. I could tell you I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, then you know that's not deep state, but I'm not Satoshi Nakamoto. So we don't know, of course. What we do know is that everything that has been built by people for freedom, if it is the internet, or if it is email, whatever, you know, or it is Bitcoin, they are afraid of losing control, and every time when it happens, they first start with forbidding it, then they start with making it difficult. So they slow everything down. They slow the development of the technology down so they have the time to understand what it is. And when they slowly understand what it is, then they start to integrate it in their systems and then fool people that they are creating the same but then better. Like central banks digital currency should be the same like Bitcoin, but then better and more trustable because it's built by the governments. in the last 2 years, yeah, you know, I have seen that the governments can't be trusted. So no, not a go for me. Good morning, New Zealand, Mr. Barefoot Berry. Why Thailand over the Asian neighbors? Because there's a huge crypto network in Thailand. I have a good amount of friends that live here in Thailand. So all these crypto people, crypto friends, they all live in Phuket, Koh Samui, Koh Phangan. So it's beautiful to be around same-minded people that think a little bit different about life, and that also believe in building a new monetary system. A monetary system that is not controlled by centralized entities, but a monetary system that's controlled by us. So instead of surrounding myself with people that continuously are looking at the news and watching the news and believing everything that is told to them on the news and all that stuff, I prefer to surround me with people that think the same or even more radical than me, so that we can stimulate each other in what we are doing. We are slowly changing the world bit by bit. At least we think that we are slowly changing the world for the better. And that's the only thing you can do. If you surround yourself with negative people, you will feel negativity all the time. If you surround yourself with positive people, you will feel positive all the time. That's how it works. I'm wishing you luck, Tang Tang. Sell your house, buy 21 Bitcoin. That's a beautiful amount to, in a couple of years, buy a few more houses back. I don't know if there are Phuket gatherings. I just arrived a week ago, so I'm still finding my way. I believe there is in Bang Tao there is a weekly gathering, but I still need to be added to the Telegram group to see where they are. And but I believe the crypto community is pretty big over here. The Bitcoin adoption again is not that big. Like in Portugal, you know, I needed to convert all the beach to accept Bitcoins. Probably I need to do the same over here to start converting people to accept Bitcoins as well, because yeah, I think the community that lives here is more focused on their own wealth than probably converting businesses to accept Bitcoin. So it's a bear market. Now they should be starting to build, and that means also you know, contribute to converting those businesses now. Paul Soms, dit interesseert me ook. Hopelijk ziet jullie deze vraag nu. Ik kan Bitcoin ingewisseld worden door fiat, maar als dat niet meer kan met CBDC, hebben we dan nog, wat hebben we dan nog voor mogelijkheden? Okay, one second. I need to read this one more time. That was a fucking mosquito biting me. Post Okay, the question is in English. So now we can still exchange Bitcoin to fiat, to euros or dollar. What happens if we can't do that anymore when all fiats currencies like euro and dollar are replaced by central bank digital currencies? What do we do then? Then we spend Bitcoins. That's all about. That's all up to you and me and the whole community. We should be focusing on withdrawing all the cash out of that corrupt system and putting it all in our system and just accept Bitcoins as a payment. You should accept it. I should accept it. We should convert stores into accepting it, so that even if cash disappears and if we can't sell Bitcoins anymore, that you can still spend it all over the world. Like, there is a lot of websites. I think 70% of our lives that we pay can already be paid online with Bitcoin. So I think it's still possible. But when it comes to a moment that those companies that now accept Bitcoins, like for example Travala is one of them, for the flights and hotels, when they accept Bitcoins, but they cannot spend their Bitcoins anymore or exchange their Bitcoins, then we have a big problem. So again, we are coming to this moment in our lives that is up to us, to humanity. We need to grab life by the balls, and we need to grab the balls of the economical system that is being built at the moment, grab it, tear it off their bodies and throw it somewhere in the toilet, and then build a new monetary system where we don't depend on those people that did build this system, because this system was only built for themselves to profit. It was not built for you and me to profit. It was only built for them to profit. So for me, the biggest issue at the moment is, why do so many people still not understand that Bitcoin is very important. Why do people still not understand that they can be fully in control if they use euros and dollars, and they can't be in control, and they can't be controlled if they use Bitcoin? That's why my tweet is still the top tweet. They can only control you when you use their currency. When we use our currency, control is not possible anymore. It's very important, but I feel like a lonely like warrior here that still wants to make people understand, but people just don't want to listen. People just don't want. They only will understand when the possibilities are not there anymore. So they only will understand the moment they switch off cash, jump into central banks' digital currencies, and they won't allow you to buy weed in a coffee shop anymore, or they won't allow you to buy anything anymore because you spend too much CUT budget. That is the moment when people will understand, and that's the moment is too late. Because when it happened already, then you're not able to do something else again. Now we can still prepare ourselves for this. We can anticipate instead of react. So if we anticipate on that situation, we can make sure that now people start to accept Bitcoins and prefer Bitcoins above any other currency. So countries, companies, websites, they all should be wanting to accept Bitcoins because they feel safe in having Bitcoins. But the more we have these scams and shitty things happening in the world, the more people think that it's the same as Bitcoin. Like they think, oh, crypto is Bitcoin. So everything that happens with FTX or Luna or Celsius, oh yeah, Bitcoin must also be bad. That is how people think. It is not bad. It's completely different. Completely different. Now, I have a hard time with the sound and the screen, guys. So there was a 30-minute live on a beautiful Sunday. I couldn't read all your questions. The next live I will do from my garden or something where it's stable internet and a beautiful view, or somewhere where it's a little bit more quiet and they're not preparing a wedding. I hope you really enjoyed this information. If you did enjoy the content, then give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Yes, I'm gonna do more walk and talks, but I need to figure out how to do the settings in the iPhone and the sound a little bit better. I am probably buying this wireless mic that I can put on my sweater, and I can it's wireless attached to the telephone. I wish you guys all a beautiful Sunday, and hopefully you have an amazing day. My day is almost like 4 o'clock now, I think. So it's already 1:30. I'm gonna prepare for some Asian food tonight, and then chill. Let's see what I do tonight. I'm not gonna party tonight. That's what I do, know for sure. Yeah, you can buy 10 euros and you won't have a bigger profit, but you will be buying a better average price, because dollar cost average means that you buy Bitcoins at different price levels, so you have an average price. If you do this daily, of course the average price will be better than you do it weekly, because on Monday sometimes the Bitcoin price could be spiking, and then you are buying a higher Bitcoin price. If you buy on Sunday and Monday, the average would be lower probably. So yeah, I think dollar cost average is the most important thing to do on a daily basis. It's a lot of work, or you need to be automating this in one of your apps. Now, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and see you next time, probably with better sound and better views. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bam.